a fishy story. This is an extract from Jerome K. Jerome's humorous book, Three Men in a Boat. So this is an extract. Extract माने कौन? It has come out. It's a part. Extract माने कौन? Part. From the Jerome K. Jerome's humorous book. What do you mean humorous book? Humorous माने comedy. कौन? Comedy. कौन book ना कौन? Three Men in a Boat. Three Men in a Boat. The narrator and his two friends, George and Harris, along with their dog, Montmorency, dog na, okay? Then na dog na, are on a boating holiday. Boat re tankar jayir holiday bitte hue, hela? Are on a boating holiday, on the river Thames. River Thames re you gote boating karibe. One day in a little village inn. What do you mean inn?
A small hotel in a village where
Yes.
travelers can eat and stay.
Yes. One day in a little village inn, they see a most remarkable fish in a glass case. Case mane gote kon dabbate aquarium. So they see a most remarkable fish in a glass case. Remarkable. Kali कहते remarkable. कौन? Something noticeable. देखिला भलिया. गोटे फिश टे अच्छी. Read on. पढ़ी चलो. Read on to find out more about the fish. Okay. कौन देखियो? कौन? More about the fish. Fish विषय बेसी जानिबो. बेसी जानिबो. Okay. We stayed 2 days at Streatley. गोटे जगह. The neighborhood of Streatley and Goring is a great fishing center. The neighborhood of Streatley and Goring, माने ये पाखापाखी जगह. Neighborhood of Streatley and Goring is a great fishing center. So Goring और Streatley ये दीटा जगह रे पाखापाखी जगह is a great fishing center. सेठी जो word पानी होची. On the second evening, George, okay, and I माने क्या? Jerome,
and the
dog, okay, went for a walk to Wallingford. चालिकरी गले, went for a walk, walk to Wallingford. Coming back, we stopped at a little riverside inn. Okay, riverside रे से inn टा थिला, hotel टा सेठी हमें रहिलु. Stopped at. We went in and sat down. आबे तो जे बसिलु. There was an old fellow there and we began chatting. आमे तो से कथा हलु. गोटे बूढ़ा लोकटे, old fellow. He told us that it had been a fine day that day. आज बढ़िया दिनटा आज भलो पाग अछि. It had been a fine day. आज बढ़िया पाग अछि. And that day माने से दिनटा गोटे भलो पाग अछि बोली से कहला. It had been a fine day today. से कहथिबो से दिन. It has been a fine day today. So, and we told him that it had been a fine day the day before. आमे कहलु भी yesterday भी fine day थिला yesterday भी fine day थिला and then we all told each other that we thought what we thought it would be a fine day next day it will be fine day tomorrow it will be nice day tomorrow भी भल दिन रहिबो after that we told him that we were strangers in the neighborhood okay से कहला से माने कहले जे आमे strangers आमे बाहर आसछु कोठू and that we were going away the next morning आमे काली पळेबू we are going away माने we are going away the next morning काली मो सकाळू आमे जाउछु then there was a pause in the conversation what do you mean by conversation कथावार्ता so pause means टिके रहिले टिके stop and our eyes wandered around the room okay wandered around माने सबडे देखिलु wandered माने कोन खाली wander माने कोन बुलिबा कोन so they finally rested upon a dusty old grass who it they माने किए they माने no their eyes okay माने they finally rested आखी देखिला कौन rested upon good rest कला जाइकरी आखी a dusty old glass case गोटे धुलिया ग्लास केस ओल्ड पुराना ग्लास केस देखिला fixed high up on the wall कोड रखा है ऊपर and containing a trout trout माने large freshwater fish गोटे fish टे ता देरे अच्छी it fascinated me मते fascinated माने कोन मते इंटरेस्ट करेला कोन मते मजा लागिला देखिया को it fascinated me that trout it was such a monstrous fish monstrous बहुत बड़ा extremely large but actually monster means what asura said the old gentleman following my eyes fine fellow that isn't he isn't he कहि देछि माछटा को isn't he हला fine fellow quite uncommon I murmured कहली कोन quite uncommon एते बड़ किंदी हबो quite uncommon uncommon माने असाधारण अच्छा and George asked how much it weighed जॉर्ज पचल्ला एटार केते ओजन 18 pounds 6 ounces said our friend that old man rising and taking down his coat rising उठिला taking down his coat okay taking down his coat what do you mean by this taking down his coat माने राइजिंग उठिला राइजिंग माने गेट अप टेकिंग डाउन माने हिज कोट माने ओलेला कोट ओलेला हैला कोटटा बाहर पला यस he continued he कहला it was 16 years ago that I caught him just below the bridge with a minnow okay
minnow ମାନେ ହଉଛି a small fish
ହଁ
used a bait to catch the largest
yes
fish.
ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମିନ ପକେଇକିରି ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ ମାଛ ପକେଇକିରି ମୁଁ ଏଇଟାକୁ ପାଇଥିଲି ବ୍ରିଜ ତଳେ ମାରିଥିଲି ମାଛ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ you don't see many fish of that size now ଏଡେ ବଡ fish ତମେ ପାଇବନି well good night gentlemen okay ସେଠୁ କହିକିରି ପଳେଇଲା ସେ ଆମକୁ ଛାଡିକିରି ଏଠୁ well don't you don't see many fish of many fish ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖ fishes ନୁ fish ର plural ବି fishes fish fish ର plural ବି fish of that size now ତମେ ଏବେ ପାଇବନି well good night gentlemen କହିକି ସେ ଗଲା and out he went and left us alone ଆମକୁ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇ ଗଲା we could not take our eyes off the fish that after that we could not take our eyes off the fish off ମାନେ ଛାଡ଼ି ପାଇଲୁନି off ବୁଝିଲା take our eyes off ମାନେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଖାଲି ଦେଖିକି ରହିଲୁ it really was a fine fish we were still looking at it when the local carrier mane porter who had just stopped at the inn okay ଗୋଟେ କୁଲିଟେ ଆସିଛି ସେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଇନ୍ ଭିତରକୁ ଆସିଛି came to the door of the room ଏ room କୁ ବି ଆସିଲାଣି and he also looked at the fish ସେ ବି ଦେଖିଲା good sized trout that said George turning round to him ତା ଆଡକୁ ବୁଲି କହିଲା ବଢିଆ ତ ବଡ ସାଇଜ ଟା ଦେଖ ନାହିଁ କି ବୁଝିଲା you may well say that sir replied the man you may well say that ତୁମେ ଯାହା କହୁଛ ହେଲା ହଉ ତୁମେ କହୁଛ ଯାହା ଠିକ you may well say that and then he added କଣ କହିଲା maybe you were not here sir when that fish was caught ବହୁତ ଆଗରୁ ଏଟା ଧରା ହେଇଛି no we told him we are strangers in the neighborhood ଆମେ ତ ନୂଆ ଆସିଛୁ it was nearly 5 years ago that I caught that trout said the carrier carrier କହିଲା ମୁଁ ତାକୁ 5 ବର୍ଷ ତଳେ ଇଏ 15 ବର୍ଷ କହୁଥିଲା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ 14 ବର୍ଷ ନା 16 years ago ହେଲା ଇଏ କହିଲା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ଇଏ କହିଲା 5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା
wait ବଢିଲା ସରିଗଲା
ଆଚ୍ଛା oh was it you who caught it I said ତମେ ଧରିଥିଲ କି yes sir replied the fellow I caught him one Friday afternoon and the remarkable thing about it is that I caught him with a fly okay caught him with a fly okay মানে
a feather light
artificial object that looks like an insect and it is used to bait to catch it is used as bait to catch the fish so ସେଇଟାକୁ ବି ଲଗେଇକିରି ବି ହେଲା ହେଲା ଇନସେକ୍ଟ ଭଳିଆ ଏଟା ଦେଖାଯାଏ ତାକୁ ଦେଖେଇକିରି ବି ମାଛ ଧରନ୍ତି ହେଲା ମାଛ ଖାଇବାକୁ ତାକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସେ ଆଚ୍ଛା well you see he waited କହୁଛି ସେ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଏମିତି ଧରିଥିଲି he waited 26 pounds ବଢେଇ ଦେଲା good night gentleman good night ସେ କହିକି ପଳେଇଲା 5 minutes afterwards 5 ମିନିଟ ପରେ a third man came in ଆସିଲା and described how he had caught the trout early one morning. ହେଲା ଦିନେ ସକାଳୁ ସକାଳୁ ସେ କେମିତି ଧରିଥିଲା and then he left ସେ ବି ପଳେଇଲା and a middle aged individual came in middle aged ମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟବୟସ୍କ କଣ came in ସେ ଆସିଲା and sat down by the window ମାନେ କଣ window ପାଖରେ ବସିଲା none of us spoke for a while ଆମେ କେହି କଥା ହେଇନୁ none of us spoke for a while ସବୁ ଚୁପଚାପ ଥିଲୁ while ମାନେ କଣ କିଛି ସମୟ ହେଲା କିଛି ସମୟ then George turned to him George ତାକୁ କହିଲା and said I beg your pardon my friend and I would be much obliged if you would tell us how you caught that trout up here ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା ଜର୍ଜ ତମେ କେମିତି ଟିକେ ଧୈର୍ଯ୍ୟ କହିଲ you tell us how you caught that trout up here ଆଣିଲ ଏଇ ଉପରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି up there ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ଉପରେ ତାକୁ ତମେ କେମିତି ଧଇଲ ଟିକେ କହିଲ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଲେ କହିଲା ପୁରା ଏଇଠି ପଚାରୁଛି ତାକୁ କହିନି ଧରିଛି ବୋଲି କହିନି ଇଏ ଆଗୁଆ କହିଲା ହେଲା who told you I caught that trout ହେଲା middle age man କହିଲା how was the surprise question ଆରେ ତୁମେ ମୁଁ ଏଟା ଧରିଛି ବୋଲି ତମକୁ କି କହିଲା we said that nobody had told us ଆମକୁ ତ କେହି କହିନାହାନ୍ତି but we felt that it was he who had caught it ହେଲା ଆମକୁ ଲାଗିଥିଲା କି ସେ ବୋଧେ ଆଣିଛି କିଛି କହୁନି ମାନେ ଆଣିଥିବ well it is a most remarkable thing ସେ କହିଲା answered the stranger laughing because you are quite right I did catch it ମୁଁ ହିଁ ତାକୁ ଧରିଥିଲି ହେଲା but imagine you are guessing it like that but imagine you are guessing it like that କେମିତି ତମେ guess କଲ dear me it's really a most remarkable thing okay but imagine you are guessing it like that dear me it is really a most remarkable thing dear me ମୁଁ ଧରିଛି ବୋଲି ଯୋଉ guess କଲ ଏଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ବଢିଆ ଜିନିଷ and then he told us how it had taken him half an hour to catch it କେତେ ସମୟ ତାକୁ ଲାଗିଥିଲା half an hour ତାକୁ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟା ଲାଗିଥିଲା catch କରିବାକୁ and how it had broken his rod ତା rod ବି ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେଇଥିଲା he said he had weighed it carefully when he reached home ସେ ତାକୁ ବି ଓଜନ କରିଥିଲା କଣ ସେ ତାକୁ he had weighed it ସେ ତାକୁ ଓଜନ କରିଥିଲା ହେଲା ବୁଝିଲା and it was 34 pounds ହେଲା ये कहला 34 when he was gone the owner of the inn came in owner of the inn asla we told him the various stories we had heard about his trout and we all laughed ऐसे कहला ये कहला इन कह के हमें तो हंसिलु imagine Jim Bates and Joey Muggles and
old Billy
Mr. Jones and old Billy Monders are telling you that they had caught it कहला समस्त कहले हसिला से हा हा well that is good said the honest old fellow बुझी पारछ ना नहीं से कहला मु जानछि एमान सब कहथिबे well that is good then he told us the real story of the fish it was he who had caught it से ही धर के आनथिला years ago बहुत वर्ष तळे when he was a boy. No, Malik Dithar Goyal. No, that was not the Malik. That was not the owner. Huh?
Manager.
Maybe someone. Okay. So, when he was a boy, when he had left the room, George and I again turned our gaze upon the fish. It really was a most astonishing trout. It excited George so much that he climbed up on the back of a chair to get a better view of it. And then the chair slipped. Chair ta goli paila. And George closed wildly. Okay. George closed wildly at the trout case to save it himself. Okay. Closed ମାନେ କଣ? ଏମିତି ଧରି ପକା, ଏମିତି ଧରିବ, ଜାବୁଡିବି. କ୍ଲଚ୍ ମାନେ କଣ? ଜର୍ଜ କ୍ଲଚ୍, ଓକେ, ଜାବୁଡିକି ଧରିବା. The judge closed wildly at, ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ କି ନାଇଁ? At the trout case. ତାକୁ ଧରି ପକେଇଲା, ତାର ତ ପଡିଗଲା ନା, ସେ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଧଇଲା. And down it came with a crash. ଏଟା ଆସିଲା ଦୁଲକି ତଳେ ପଇଲା. ହେଲା କଣ କୋଉଟା ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଟା ହେଲା trout case ପଇଲା ଦୁଲ. George and the chair on top of it. George भी पइला, chair भी पइला या ऊपर, ହେଲା कहाँ ऊपर? George and the chair on top of it. ଏଇ ବାକ୍ସ ଉପରେ ଏଇଟା ପଡିଗଲା, ତା ଉପରେ ବି ସେମାନେ ପଇଲେ, ହେଲା. ଆଚ୍ଛା, you haven't injured the fish, have you? I cried in alarm. ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଡରରେ rushing up, ମୁଁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆଇଲି. ସିଏ ତା ସାଙ୍ଗ ଯୋଉ ଆଇ ମାନେ କିଏ? ଜେରୋମ, ହେଲା. ମୁଁ ଦୌଡ଼ି ଆସିକିରି କହିଲି, you haven't injured the fish, have you? ତୁ ଫିସ୍ କୁ ତମେ ଇଏ କରିନ ତ କିଛି? I hope not, said George. George କହିଲା ନାଇଁ ମ, ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି, ହେଲା. ବୋଧେ ତା ଉପରେ ପଡିନୁ. Rising cautiously, ଉଠିଲୁ and looking about, ଚାରିଆଡେ ଦେଖିଲୁ କିଏ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖୁଛି କିରେ, ପଡିଗଲାଣି ତ. cautiously ମାନେ କଣ? ଏଇଟା ଜଗିକିରି ଉଠିବା. Rising cautiously, ଜଗି ରଖିକିରି ଉଠିବା. And looking about, କିଏ ଦେଖିଲା ଦେଖିଲେ. But he had, okay, the trout lay shattered into 1,000 fragments, ହେଲା. But he had, but ଏଇଟା କଣ? You haven't injured the fish. But he had, he had injured. କିଏ? George. The trout lay shattered, ଏଟା ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଛି, into 1,000 fragments. କଣ? fragments ମାନେ କଣ? ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ. shattered ମାନେ ପଡିଛି ଏଣେ ତେଣେ. ଲେ ମାନେ ପଡିବା, ଏଟା ଏଣେ ତେଣେ ପଡିଛି, ଲେ shattered into 1,000 fragments. କଣ ହେଇକି ପଡିଛି? ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଖଣ୍ଡ ହେଇକି ପଡିଛି. ଲେଟା କାହାର past tense? lie ର. କଣ? lie, ହେଲା. I say 1,000, but I did not count them. ଏଇ ଭଳିଆ ହେଇଥିବ 1,000 ଆଉ. We found it very strange that a trout should break up into little pieces like that. ଆରେ trout ଟା କଣ ଏମିତି ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଯିବ କି? But then we discovered why it did. ତାପରେ ଆମେ discover କଲୁ, ହେଲା, କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏଟା ଏମିତି ଖଣ୍ଡ ଖଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଗଲା. The fish was made of plaster of Paris. ବୁଝିଲା? ଏଟା actually plaster of Paris, ଏଟା ସତ ନଥିଲା.